next guest is a manufacturer of headphones, microphones, wireless transmission systems. They're based in Germany. Is it Wiedemark? Is that how you say it? Wiedemark, because it's a W, so I have to say V. I have to remember that, like Volkswagen. You know, we'd say Volkswagen in the States, but Wiedemark, Germany. And look, I'm wearing Sennheiser headset mics, which we use for years on our broadcasts all around the world because they work the best that way, these sportscaster type headset microphones. The head of portfolio management, Select. I'm not even sure what that means, but I'm glad he's here with us again. From Sennheiser is Dr. Christian Ehren. Dr. Ehren, welcome back into Tomorrow. How are you?
Very much. Thank you. I'm fine. Very
Good.
fine. Very happy to be here.
I think we saw you last time at CES in Lost Wages, Nevada.
Yeah.
And here at IFA, you're introducing, as always, more cool, fun new products.
Yeah. We have a lot of products that we produce that we show here. One I would like specifically to show is a new travel headset, a noise cancelling headset. Maybe I hand it over to you.
This would be the PXC 550, I think, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes. Right, yeah. So we have the packaging here. So it's a very comfortable product. So to wear in the airplane for like hours of flight.
Yeah, like an 8-hour flight to Europe or
a 12-hour
16 hours
flight
to Asia.
Yeah, exactly. Right. Yeah.
Very, very comfortable ear pads.
Right. Yeah. So it's made for long travel. We say it's for the business traveler because it's not only a headset for entertaining you in the airplane, but it also has a triple microphone array built in, so you can make phone calls over your Bluetooth phone in a very high quality.
And it's wireless, so there's no additional cable. And I've seen one of the things I like is it says twist ear cup to switch on.
Yeah.
So you just twist the ear cup, I guess, in the normal position, and it's on.
Yeah, you should hear a little voice inside telling you that it's now turned on, that it's connecting to your phone.
I hear little voices inside all the time, but they're not
this one is for purpose.
From Sennheiser headphones. Good one. But I like that, of course, because then, of course, you're not wasting your power and so forth.
Exactly,
how do you charge them? With USB or batteries?
With the USB cable, with the standard micro USB plug that you plug in, and it charges within 3 hours roughly when it's completely empty.
Okay.
And then the battery lasts for, let's say, if you plug it into an airplane via cable, it lasts for 30 hours. So even if you fly once around the world, you can still
or going to Australia,
or going to Australia,
various places that take that long. That's awesome and very, very comfortable. Available now?
Available now. You can find it in many duty-free shops over the world. You can even try it out in some airline lounges around the world, so you can get a feel for this, for the product and the comfort and the sound quality, of course.
Yeah. And how much in US dollars?
It's $399.95.
$399.95.
Yes.
We won't say $400, but we could say just under $400.
Right.
And I can see where they could be very, very popular, very successful line.
Yeah.
And this is the PXC 550 wireless adaptive noise cancellation headphones.
Right. Yeah.
Whew, that all fits on the box too.
Yeah. So that's something important to mention. Of course, it's a noise cancelling headphone, so it actively cancels out noise.
Which is great in the airplanes because you don't want to hear all the racket and whether it's engine noise or the idiot next to you who won't stop talking to the one across the aisle.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So basically, it's what we call a hybrid system. So you have 2 microphones on the outside and 2 on the inside. So they work together to give you the best kind of noise cancellation you get in different frequency ranges. If you then happen to talk to somebody next to you, the gentleman next to you or the flight attendant maybe, there's also what we call talk through. So you double tap and then it's opening up. It's like super hearing that you have.
That I like because I'm always having to not only pause the movie or whatever I'm watching when the flight attendant comes, but then I'm having to take off the headphones to be able to hear what he or she is saying. Double tap.
Just double tap and then you hear the outside world. So that's really fantastic.
You guys have thought of everything. And up to 30 hours of battery life there. Now we go from the cool new wireless one, collapsible device, to a wired headset that I'm guessing is, because it says refined, sophisticated for home audio listening. So wired, not a problem. You're home. You're not running around.
Exactly, yes.
Tell me about the HD 599.
Yeah, 599, that's basically the flagship of a new line of home audio products that we are launching here at IFA. So it's an open headphone. I mean, most of them are open. There's also a closed model to shut out the outside noise. But let's say most of the people would wish a very natural sound reproduction at home. right?
Yeah, and also what looks like to be, it's hard to try because I have these other Sennheiser headphones on now, but looks to be extremely comfortable ear pads.
Yeah, it's very comfortable, it's very huge, it's very big inside, so you have a lot of space for your ears inside. The speakers are actually
also
also
Barack
tilted.
Obama ears, they'll fit in there.
Yeah, probably, yes. Yeah, we haven't tried that. Might be a good idea to send him a sample.
Yeah, there you go, quick while there's time. But these seem like they would also be exceptionally good quality as well as nice and comfortable.
Yes,
and if you're talking
yeah.
about refined and sophisticated, you mentioned the true audiophile will really appreciate these, which also means that they probably don't cost a few dollars. They probably cost a few more dollars, right?
This is $249 US dollars and €249 euros. And we have, let's say, a few models also for, let's say, slightly lower budget as well.
Oh,
so,
sure.
Yeah.
Well, Sennheiser has always been one to provide a great range of products, especially in the headphone lines, because there's so many of us from one extreme to another wanting to look at that quality. Do check out Sennheiser.com. You'll see what Christian and his team are regularly up to there, and there's certainly something for you, and maybe many somethings for you and your gift-giving needs too, as well, with holidays coming up. Sennheiser.com. We'll link you there when you visit us at IntoTomorrow.com. Christian, always a delight to chat with you because you always have fun, new things.
Always a delight to be here. Thank you very much.
It's our pleasure. We're back with more from IFA in Berlin, Germany. I'm Dave Graveline. This is Into Tomorrow, right here on the Advanced Media Network.